Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how we can fix if Google Play Store is keep stopping or keep crashing. So I received few comments asking me like what we can do if we face a similar error like a pop-up or something like that. Google Play Store is keep getting crashed. The first thing you need to do is update Google Play Store. So we usually, if you want to update any app, we'll go to Play Store and then update that app. But how we can update the Play Store? It is pretty easy. Open Play Store, then click on the profile picture at the top and click on settings. And here you will see the about section. You need to click on about section and see here, this is the option update Play Store. See here, when you tap on this, Play Store gets updated. A new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed. So maximum by doing this your problem will get solved, that Play Store is getting crashed or stopping getting stopped will be fixed. If it didn't solve your problem, you need to click on your Android phone settings, then click on apps, then click on app management, and here you can search like Google Play. So Google Play, yeah, see here Google Play Store is appeared here. You need to tap on that. You need to click on storage and click on clear data and clear cache. First of all, check with the clear cache and check whether the problem got resolved or not. And the same thing you can do for Google Play services also. Just clear the cache of the Google Play services also. And now restart your phone and check whether your problem is resolved or not. By doing these steps, compulsory your problem gets resolved. So if you don't find this Google Play services option directly when you search on here, what you need to do is you need to click on the three dots and click on show system, so that now if you search like Google Play, by sure these two apps will be visible to you and you can clear cache and clear data. Yeah, in some cases, if you install any third-party apps through Google Chrome browser or any external browser, try to uninstall them and check whether the problem is resolved, because third-party apps may conflict with the Google Play version and may cause this problem. Just try to install and restart your mobile and check whether the problem is fixed or not. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.